whenever I come to AIIMS, I always feel so happy and elated because it is certainly one of the most prestigious institutions, at least for the medical fraternity and, of course, for everyone in the country. For any young boy who aspires to become a doctor, his first ambition and his first dream is to get into the competitive exam and pass the AIIMS exam and become a doctor from AIIMS who can later on be called an AIIMSonian. So I always feel that you are all very fortunate to have been a part of this institution, which has a long legacy, long history of contribution from hundreds of stalwarts, and this is the time to pay tributes to all of them. Many of them may not be with us in this world, but their contribution for the development of AIIMS will always be remembered by everyone and will always be written in golden letters in the history. I would love to remember particularly people like Dr. Dikshit and Dr. Vigda amongst the first few directors, and of course Dr. Ramalinga Swami, whom I had personally seen and met on many occasions when I was health minister in Delhi. And I could feel the greatness of his personality and the charm of his personality and the intellect that he enjoyed even in the 90s. So, and this status that we have achieved today, it is all because of the contribution of so many people, so many stalwarts. I always tell my young doctor friends that it is a privilege and a blessing to have become a doctor, and then for a doctor to have become a doctor from AIIMS is another super privilege. But I always tell the doctors the next step out of it is that having enjoyed that privilege of having become a doctor, the next challenge before everyone, once you leave the institution or while you are inside the institution, is to become a good doctor and be able to live up to the reputation of a doctor or of the institution that you actually belong to. So this is the challenge we all face in our lives, and I think occasions like this, when we meet and of course when we remember the legacy and when we award our young, talented, committed, dedicated, selfless workers, doctors who have done so well and who have contributed very sincerely. It's a moment for everyone to take and draw a lot of inspiration from such people also.